with this 6'7" guy to try to take the body to
and a shot that puts Daniel Martz on the canvas. And Martz hurting from the body attack of Luis Ortiz.
This guy is slower than
What a big straight left! Put his face first, Daniel Martz on the canvas. This could be it. And this one is over. And Luis Ortiz looks over at Deontay Wilder right now. And oh my goodness, look at this. Ortiz immediately looked right at Deontay Wilder.
But you know what? This is a new day for you. Thank God that he blessed you again. And you know what? Because he blessed you, I'm going to bless you too. Because I think you're one of the best. And I wanted to prove that I am the best. So for the best to prove that they are the best must fight each other. So I'm going to bless you again with the second opportunity. So stay by your phone, Luis Ortiz. I'm coming for you.